Good day, ma'am. My name is JRP Baril. I am the Group 13 representative. The continuation of our topic. My topic is all about the scope and limitation of the study. The study focused on the social, psychological, and behavioral impacts of criminal labeling among Filipino ex-offenders, especially within Cantilan. The scope covers the influence of the criminal label on employment, education, social mobility, self-identity, and recidivism. This study is strictly delimited by its use of a qualitative methodology, interviews, and narratives. Its exclusive focus on the Katilan area and its reliance only on participants who are willing and available to share their experiences.